So I bought a rock tumbler at an estate sale about 3 or 4 years ago, and the motor was pretty beat up when I got it. The whole thing was pretty beat up, so I had to strip it down, repaint it, and the motor eventually went out on it, so I took it down to run them again, Electric Motors in Glendale, Arizona, and they said the motor couldn't be fixed because it was like crimped and welded, which I kind of figured because I tried to take it apart myself because I like fixing stuff myself because I'm frugal, or some people could call me cheap, but I like to say frugal. And so I waited around trying to find a motor for it, and I found something on the internet that said you could use an electric motor from an air conditioning system. So I picked one up and had to modify it a little bit, but it fits fine. The only problem is the V-belt, the shaft is too small for the V-belt bearing, so I gotta fix that. So I'll show you how to do that. It should work pretty good, and we'll go from there. I went down to the local hardware store to see if they had a V-belt bearing that would work, and of course they didn't, which kind of figured they wouldn't, but maybe they would, but they didn't. So, but I need to make this bigger to fit that, as you can see. So what I came up with is take a piece of heat shrink tubing, put it over the outside, and go old school here. Oh, I think I need to get some new matches. These are really old. They've been in the garage forever. So. About right there should work. Oh, that's hot. And there's still a little bit of play in it. So what I'm going to do next, just take some tape. You could probably use like masking tape, but I don't have any masking tape. I think duct tape is a little too thick. So I'll just use some of this tape. It's not a high stress V-belt pulley system, so. If it was high stress, I'd have to probably go on the internet and find a belt that'll fit. Or a pulley, I mean. Get enough tape on there. It's snug, and it should work. This is for like low stress applications. I wouldn't use it for something like high stress or anything, gearing or whatnot. With that, I'd have to probably go have a bearing made or something. All right, let's give it a go. And it works. Pretty cool.